Good morning student. We see mutation part 2. In part 1 we have seen chromosomal mutation. Okay. In that chromosomal mutation we have seen changes in the structure of chromosome. Now let us see changes in the number of chromosome. In that number of chromosomes we can see ploidy, that is euploidy and aneuploidy, will see it. Okay. Changes in the number of chromosomes. They involve addition or deletion in the number of chromosomes present in a cell. This is called ploidy. Again I am saying they involve addition or deletion in the number of chromosomes present in a cell. This is called ploidy. Ploidy has two types. One is euploidy and another one is aneuploidy. Now, what is euploidy? Euploidy, it is the condition in which the individual bears more than the usual number of diploid chromosomes. If an individual has 3 haploid sets of chromosomes, the condition is called triploidy or triploidy, 3n. Okay, that has 44 autosomes and the remaining 6 chromosomes. XXX, totally 47 chromosomes are there. Triploid plants or animals are typically sterile. If it has 4 haploid sets of chromosomes, the condition is called tetraploid, 4n. Okay, 4 copies of chromosomes are additionally present. Tetraploid plants are advantageous as they often result in increased fruit and flower size. Next is aneuploidy. Aneuploidy divides 3 types: monosomy, nullisomy and trisomy. In monosomy, it has 21 minus 1. Okay, that means normally 46 chromosomes. In that, 1 chromosome will reduce, that is 45. In nullisomy, 2n minus 2. Here 46 is normal, 2 is reduced, 44 chromosomes. Here trisomy, 2n plus 1. Okay, the 46 plus 1, 47 chromosomes are there. Okay, next is what is aneuploidy? Aneuploidy is the loss or gain of 1 or more chromosomes in a set. Okay, understand? Again, aneuploidy is the loss or gain of 1 or more chromosomes in a set. Down syndrome is one of the commonly known aneuploid condition. Next we see Down syndrome. This is a condition first identified by doctor named Langdon Down in 1866. It is a genetic condition in which there is an extra copy of chromosome 21, that is trisomy 21. It is associated with mental retardation, that is symptoms. Okay, mental retardation, delayed development, then behavioral problem, weak muscle tone, vision and hearing disability are some of the conditions seen in these children. Now we see Down syndrome's karyotype. Listen, the chromosomes are there. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Listen, you see in 21, 3 chromosomes are there. Listen, 1, 2, 3. 3 chromosomes are there. Okay, this is trisomy 21. In 23rd pair, if it is girl is present XX, if it is boy XY is present, any one is present. Okay, we have seen so far chromosomal mutation. Okay, now let us see gene mutation or point mutation. Gene mutation is the change occurring in nucleotide sequence of gene. It involves substitution, deletion, insertion or inversion of a single or more than one nitrogenous base. Gene alteration results in abnormal protein formation in an organism. Now see gene mutation. How it is occur? Deletion, insertion, inversion, substitution in gene mutation. Let us see. In normal gene, you see the nitrogenous bases are located like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Okay, G pair with C, A pair with T. Okay, in deletion, what happen is occurring here. Deletion is a gene mutation caused by loss of one or more nucleotide from a gene. Listen here, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are deleted. This is called deletion. Okay, next is insertion. It is a gene mutation caused by addition of one or more nucleotides to a gene. Listen, insertion, 2 base chains are inserted. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. Between these, what is added? The 2 base chains are inserted. G, C and AT is inserted here. This is called insertion. Then next is inversion. Inversion is a gene mutation brought about by the reversion of base sequence. In this case, a segment of DNA molecule is removed or reinserted in reverse direction. Listen, you see, listen, 1, 2, then 5, 4, 3. The reverse order it is arranged. This is called inversion. 3, 4 and 5 are inverted. 3, 4, 5 are inverted. This is called inversion. Then next is substitution. Okay, then it is a gene mutation where one nucleotide is replaced by another nucleotide. Total set of nucleotide is changed. Okay, that's all student, gene mutation. Now let us see part 1 mutation and part 2 mutation. We'll see it. What is we have seen in before that part 1 mutation. We seen sex determination in human. Okay, in that human we have seen homogenetic and homogametic and heterogametic. Okay, then finally how it is formed. The father is determining the sex of the child. The mother is not responsible in determining the sex of child. Okay, then next is mutation. In mutation he introduced, Hugo de Vries introduced the term mutation. Okay, it is a sudden change, okay, in genetic material. Okay, in these 2 types, chromosomal mutation and gene mutation. In chromosomal mutation, we can see changes in the structure of chromosome, changes in the number of chromosome. In that chromosome, we can see ploidy. In that ploidy, there are 2 types, euploidy and aneuploidy. In euploidy, we have seen, okay, triploidy, triploidy and tetraploidy we have seen. Okay, how the euploidy organisms are developed. Okay, in diploidy banana you see DNA is diploid banana you see 2N seeds are present. In polyploidy banana there is no seeds are produced. It is very useful to us. More yield is produced here. Then triploid oyster and diploid oyster you see. Then we see aneuploidy, loss or gain of one or more chromosomes, monosomy, trisomy, nullisomy we have seen. Down syndrome. Okay, who is introduced the term Down syndrome? Langdon Down. Then this is called trisomy 21. Okay, then next is we have seen gene mutation or point mutation. In that point mutation, very important, substitution, deletion, insertion or inversion is occurring. We have seen in the picture how it is occurring. Okay, okay student, in this topic the unit 18 is over. Okay, we will see the next unit. Okay, thank you student.